If you want to update your kitchen but don't want to spend a ton of money or time on it, I highly recommend updating your backsplash. If it's currently tile and the tiles are level and in good shape and really adhere to the wall well, you can just vinyl tile right over them. Make sure when you choose your tiles, you do some research and find ones that have really good reviews. First, you want to clean your existing tiles really well and then let them dry. And then when you place that very first sheet of tiling, you want to make sure that it's level and it's exactly where you want it, because that's going to set the stage for all the rest of your tiles. When I first was doing this one, I misplaced maybe my second sheet, and instead of fixing it, I thought I could finagle it, and it was a terrible idea. I had to scrape off a ton of tiles and basically start over. And if you notice that your tiles are getting off even just slightly from the previous one that you laid, immediately try to fix it so that you don't have a huge headache. When you get to the end of a row or an outlet, you just take an X-Acto knife and score where you want to break the tiles, and then you just snap them and they snap right apart. For the edges, I ordered this tile edging from Amazon and it came in a roll. Just measure it and then you just pop it on. You don't have to grout these tiles, but I decided to because I wanted white grout to hide the mistakes, since this was the first time I ever did the vinyl tiling. But anyway, here it is. So let me know in the comments if there's any questions I didn't answer, and follow me for more tips.